Halo guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kembali lagi bersama aku, Milawa. Jadi di video kali ini tuh aku mau kasih tahu tutorial edit foto yang kayak misalkan daunnya tadinya warna hijau kayak gini, jadi berubah jadi warna kayak coklat atau orange kayak gitu, kayak gini, kayak gitu. Tapi sebelum itu kalian jangan lupa klik subscribe karena gratis, dan jangan lupa juga klik tombol lonceng di sebelahnya supaya kalian gak ketinggalan notifikasi dari aku. Oke, tanpa panjang lebar langsung saja kita ke tutorial.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them. To see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Buat yang udah nonton sampai selesai. Kalau kalian suka dengan videonya, klik tombol like dan share ke seluruh sosial media kalian supaya yang lain juga tahu. Oke, mungkin cukup sekian video dari aku. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.